Hello audio lover. Congrats on your choice to upgrade and buy a truly excellent DAC, which the Hi-Fi Zen DAC 3 definitely is. In today's video we are going to unbox and set it up. As you can see on the box, this isn't just a DAC or sound card. It's also a powerful headphone amplifier and a preamp for your hi-fi setup or active studio monitors. It features high-res audio, which we all know and love, along with many other high-quality DAC features. On the packing you will also find information about the main features, connectivity, package content, and full DAC specification. Inside the box there is an Hi-Fi logo sticker and information about the MQA setup. Personally, I love this type of quick start guide, colorful and all on a single page. Everything is so easy to understand, even my grandmother who loves audio. As you can see from this guide, this DAC has two main functions. First, a powerful DAC and headphone amp, and second, a preamp with DAC for a stereo system. Also included in the box is a big jack adapter, which is of nice quality, as well as a USB cable to connect the DAC to your device, and a nice quality RCA cable to connect your home audio setup. This design is a bit different, not typical square box. I think everything here is pretty straightforward. The DAC can run on a single USB cable, but if you want to avoid dirty computer power, you can buy a separate DC power adapter. This DAC is interesting not just for its housing, but because it uses 4.4mm jack for the balanced output to hi-fi or studio monitors. Starting to use this DAC is very easy. Connect the USB-C end of the cable to the DAC and the other USB-A end to your audio source. The DAC's LED light up. Then select this DAC on your PC, connect your headphones or hi-fi system using the RCA or balance output, and you can start playing some high-quality music and enjoy the power of this DAC amp. If you want to hear the sound test of this nice Hi-Fi DAC and see my full review, follow the main Techscrew channel, where in the next video I will share more about my experience and do a sound test with some nice Dover speakers.